Okay, hi. Today we will learn how to draw simple optic illusion with a ladder. We are starting with two squares. Make diagonal lines inside, and don't worry about them now, we will use them later. We are starting to create our ladder. Make a mirror effect in halfway between the squares. Now we are making our ladder a bit darker. And we are drawing some rungs, sideways on the edge of the paper. Inside of the boxes, shades has to stick to the diagonal lines that we drew in the beginning. But outside, we have to make it vertical. And remember that the number of the rungs has to be the same as their shades. Now we are making the inside of our boxes dark to let it look as the whole. Add some lights on the top of the ladder. Last step is to bend your sheet of paper in half, and the illusion is ready. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and watch more of our tutorials on our YouTube channel.